Firmiana simplex information. Firmiana simplex, commonly known as the Chinese parasol tree or Wutong in Chinese, is a deciduous tree native to China and other parts of Asia, including Japan and Korea. It belongs to the family Malvaceae and can grow up to 20 meters tall. The Chinese parasol tree has a distinctive umbrella-like canopy of large, palmately compound leaves that can measure up to 60 centimeters in diameter. The leaves are green on the upper side and pale green or white on the underside. The tree produces small, yellowish-green flowers in late summer, followed by a fruit that resembles a small pumpkin. The tree is widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in parks and gardens, and is also used in traditional medicine to treat a range of ailments, including fever, coughs, and rheumatism. Firmiana simplex prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is generally easy to grow and requires minimal care, making it a popular choice for landscape use.